Welcome to this exciting video, where we will reveal the most valuable 1-penny coins ever made in the UK. These coins may look ordinary, but some of them are worth a small fortune due to their rarity, condition and historical significance. We will take you through the years and varieties that make these coins so special without using any complicated terms or confusing details. If you love coins or want to know if you have a hidden treasure, then stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing coin facts and values. This is the story of the 1963 1-penny coin from the United Kingdom, a small coin that holds a big place in British numismatic history, featuring Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and Britannia on the reverse. It was struck in bronze and circulated heavily during the early 1960s, and even now collectors and enthusiasts continue to seek this coin for its historical charm and design appeal. The 1963 penny is composed of bronze, a metal blend that consists of copper, tin and zinc. It weighs 9.4 grams with a diameter of 30.81 millimeters and a thickness of 1.6 millimeters. This coin was part of the pre-decimal currency system used in the United Kingdom before the switch to decimalisation in 1971. On the obverse side of the 1963 1-penny coin, you will see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II facing right with the inscription, Elizabeth to Dei Gratia Regina, Fidi Defensa. Around the edges, this design was created by Mary Gillick and was used on coins from 1953 to 1967. It captures the youthful profile of the Queen. The reverse side features the seated figure of Britannia wearing a helmet and holding a trident in one hand and a shield in the other, with the word 1-penny above and the date 1963 below. This design by Leonard Charles Wyan symbolizes British strength and maritime history and was used for many decades before being retired. This coin is considered common in circulated condition, but it still holds collectible value, especially in uncirculated or proof condition mint state. Examples with original luster and no wear are desirable among numismatists and can fetch higher prices depending on the grade and quality. Some of the most valuable 1963 1-penny coins are those that were struck in special mint sets or preserved in original packaging. These coins often appear in much better condition than general circulation coins and may show rich red or red-brown toning that enhances their eye appeal. There are no known major errors or varieties for the 1963 1-penny coin, but some collectors still enjoy finding examples with off-center strikes or weak strikes, which can be interesting from a numismatic perspective. Such pieces may not add huge monetary value, but they contribute to the uniqueness of a personal collection. If you are interested in collecting or investing in British pre-decimal coins, the 1963 penny is a great starting point. It is affordable, widely available and part of a larger historical narrative that includes the reign of Queen Elizabeth II and the transition from imperial coinage to modern decimal coins. Many online coin dealers offer the 1963 penny for sale, and prices typically range from a few pence in worn condition up to several pounds for brilliant uncirculated pieces. Collectors looking for top-grade examples should seek coins graded by reputable services or verified by trusted sellers. If you enjoy learning about rare coins, historical mints and British currency, make sure to subscribe to this channel, where we explore the hidden value in every day. Welcome to our YouTube video, where we explore the history and value of the 1-penny coin. 1967 United Kingdom, a coin that holds special interest for collectors and enthusiasts across the world. This video will guide you through its design, background and possible worth in the market, so make sure to stay till the end and subscribe for more valuable coin insights and updates. The 1-penny coin 1967 was produced during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, and it features her portrait on the obverse side. This was the standard pre-decimal penny of the UK and was made of bronze. The design includes the seated figure of Britannia on the reverse with a trident and shield symbolizing strength and protection, which had been a classic element of British coinage for many years. In 1967, the Royal Mint issued a large number of these 1-penny coins as part of the last few years before the decimalisation of UK currency, which officially happened in 1971. Because of the high mintage, many of these coins were not circulated, but stored or kept as souvenirs by the public, meaning A large quantity remains available today in circulated and uncirculated condition. Even though the coin is no longer in legal tender use, the 1967 one penny coin still draws attention from numismatists and vintage collectors, particularly those who focus on coins from the mid-20th century and British colonial era. Many people come across this coin in old drawers, coin boxes, or inherited collections and want to know if it holds any market value. In most cases, the value of the one penny coin 1967 depends on its condition. A coin in heavily circulated condition might only fetch its face value or a small amount from a bulk beer, but if the coin is in mint state or uncirculated condition, especially one with a high grade and glossy finish, it could be worth significantly more to the right collector or beer. Coin grading plays an essential role in determining the worth of any vintage coin, and the same applies to this one penny coin. If your coin has minimal wear, sharp edges, a clean surface and strong details, it might be graded as extremely fine or even higher and can be valued at a few pounds or more, especially if certified by a reputable coin grading service. Some rare variants exist due to minting errors, such as off-center strikes or planchet issues. Although uncommon, such error coins can command a premium from specialized collectors. Always inspect both sides of the coin for any unusual features or irregularities that could boost its market demand. For those looking to sell or buy the 1967 one penny coin, popular platforms include eBay, numismatic forums, and dedicated auction houses for coins. Keep in mind the coin must be clearly photographed, described, with full details of condition and any provenance if available, to attract serious buyers and maximize your returns. To maintain the value of your coin, avoid cleaning it, as this can reduce its appeal and originality. Instead, store